Reporting live from the city of Chicago, where we're having a major snowstorm, and I just wanted to see what it was like to bring the crew out here, the camera out here I should say, and bring you some live coverage like the news reporters. Let me see if I can do this. Reporting live from the south side of Chicago, or should I say the northwest side of Chicago. We're out here in a snowstorm. For all of you who's having fun in Florida in the south, this is what's going on right now in the mid-coast, Midwest, Chicago. This is I'm in the snow. I'm having fun, you know what I'm saying? But at first, it wasn't too much fun. I actually saw where it was snowing, thundering, and lightning. I've never seen that before. I've never ever in my entire life seen where it was snowing, lightning, and thundering. So wherever you're located right now and the sun is shining and all that, enjoy it. I don't know what the world is coming to, but we got birds that's falling from the sky, dead birds falling from the sky. We have I'm about to go back in. For y'all folks that's south, I'll be there shortly, but I'm stuck right now. All airports are shut down. Midwest, that is, mid-coast. I mean, now you see it. This is amazing. I haven't seen nothing like this in a long time. And some of you probably have never seen this, so it's definitely a sight to see. Signing off, yours truly.